Jasmy basically acquired around 4.08% inside the essentially most recent 24 hours, which explicitly is very critical. The EMA 50 really is at present at $0.007, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin in a real sense is drifting at $87,003,429 in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy explicitly has its extremely next obstruction at $0.006, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. 08 October 2023. In this video we'll in a real sense walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and basically attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What fundamentally is truly momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin generally is Jasmy and in every practical sense, wise interest in a sort of large manner. Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. In any case, prior to jumping especially profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, basically let us explicitly discuss the kind of current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,092,101,741,765 in an unobtrusive manner. The truly complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $17,412,615,578 in a genuinely large manner. Bitcoin shares 49.88% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04%, which fundamentally is very critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 0.22%, coming to $1,637.27 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that the sort of complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $17,412,615,578 by and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.92, following a value change of 0.01% within a similar time period, showing that the exceptionally all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $17,412,615,578, which in every practical sense is very critical. XRP, the in every way that really matters, local coin of XRP by and large is somewhere near 0.54 and presently exchanging at 52 cents, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which basically is very huge. These occasions in a real sense showed that the market essentially is going in a genuinely descending heading for fundamentally momentary and in every practical sense, large way. As of now, an exceptionally broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an especially huge manner. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to really recognize certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which for the most part is very critical. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers sort of become most certainly more truly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which merchants especially become moves certainly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so however prior to plunging most certainly profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, in a real sense, let us in a real sense discuss the all things considered current economic situations in a really significant way. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin, Jasmy coin execution. The in every practical sense, current Jasmy coin cost explicitly is $0.007, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the truly beyond 24 hours, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.92, following a value change of 0.01% within a similar time period. Exhibiting that the exceptionally complete exchanging volume generally remains at $17,412,615,578 in a huge manner. At present, Jasmy basically is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, showing how which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04%, which especially is genuinely huge. Jasmy Coin Value Investigation Jasmy Cost Examination for 08 October 2023, inside a fundamentally everyday time span, sort of made sense of beneath, which especially shows that Jasmy Coin support and obstruction levels and so on, which truly is genuinely critical. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving essentially normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including genuinely straightforward moving in every way that really matters, normal, SMA, and outstanding moving pretty normal, EMA, to explicitly examine the future development of the Jasmy coin. Showing that the EMA 50 fundamentally is at present at $0.007 in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line for the most part is remaining beneath of the essentially signal line after a hybrid, especially further appearance how presently, Jasmy especially is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars. Showing how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04%, or so they by and large thought. Jasmy Coin financial backers need to generally hang tight for any directional change over the in every way that really matters, day-to-day diagram, showing how Jasmy truly acquired roughly 4.08% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. The truly relative strength file, RSI, for Jasmy Coin certainly is as of now floating at 19 for 14 days fundamentally normal line, which really implies Jasmy explicitly is in oversold zone, and a pattern especially inversion basically is conceivable, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. While Jasmy's Williams %R pointer basically is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange genuinely signal in a real sense is somewhat conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that we utilize kind of relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including most certainly straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving really normal, EMA, to especially break down the future development of the Jasmy coin, exhibiting that the EMA 50 sort of is at present at $0.007, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ends as per our specialized examination information, the extremely transient conjecture for the Jasmy coin cost certainly is for the most part bullish at the hour of compassing. Pretty further appearance how XRP the especially local coin of XRP especially is somewhere near 0.54